You also just need to persuade people yeah, you can do it, come on.
Yeah, make them be more confident in themselves.
Some of the children have returned to school feeling quite anxious and worried. Some of them have been very excited, and some of them have been a little bit overwhelmed by all the changes that have happened. So since we've come back, we've worked hard to develop a whole school project called Resilient Me, a little play on the film Despicable Me. It's focused really on building the children's well-being back up and making sure that they're resilient and independent and ready to learn.
Minion Day was at the very start of the school year, and when we came back it really boosted our confidence. We dressed up in yellow, or we could actually dress up like a minion.
Yeah, and we also had to find the minion cards to come to the party, like minion invitations.
We became the minions for a day really, we were being resilient. Knowing how to be resilient and what resilience is, it's really helped a lot more.
It's just really helpful just when you're feeling down, and if someone's being nasty to you, you just never give up and just stick up for yourself. I like making my own weeble wobble because when you knock them over, they always bounce back.
You always have another chance to try again, because that's what being resilient is about, really. Resilient. Being resilient.